In this video, I'll show you how to start contributing to open source projects. We will discuss reasons to contribute, who can contribute, how to find projects, and finally, we will contribute to an open source project. Let's get started. People have different reasons to contribute to open source projects, which may include passion for a project, personal skill development, reputation and recognition, collaborative and learning opportunities, and giving back to the community. Anyone can contribute to the open source projects, including developers, designers, testers, documentation writers, translators, project managers, and users of the open source project. There are different ways to find open source projects to contribute to, which include exploring popular open source platforms such as GitHub, GitLab, and Bitbucket, participating in community events, follow developer forums and mailing lists, seek recommendations and referrals, and my personal favorite, go to an open source project page on GitHub and click on the Issues tab, and look for issues tagged as first time. With that being said, let's get our hands dirty and contribute to an open source project. Open the project in your browser and click on Fork, then click on Create a new fork. This will create a copy of the repository under your GitHub account. Download the project by running the git clone command. This will create a copy of the source code of the open source project on your machine. Then create a branch using the git checkout command. Make your contribution by adding a new feature, fixing a bug, updating documentation, or adding a test case. Stage your changes by using the git add command. Commit your changes by using the git commit command. And finally, push your changes to GitHub using the git push command. The last step is to submit a pull request. Go to GitHub and submit a pull request. After submitting a pull request, the project maintainers will review and integrate your contributions. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.